Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. On this day of Guruvayur Ekadasi, my repeated Namaskarams to Guruvayurappa. In this video, we are going to see the Saga 43 of Narayaniyam, which is Trinavarta Vada. Srimad Bhagavata, Skanda 10, Chapter 7. Slokas 18 to 33 describe Trinavarta Vada. The brief of this chapter is Krishna's uncle Kamsa came to know that baby Krishna also killed Shakadasura. Then he got very angry and called Trinavarta to execute the task of killing baby Krishna. Kamsa made Trinavarta aware of the powers of little Krishna. Trinavarta assured Kamsa that he has had magnificent power of blowing away everything, and he will surely blow away Krishna and will throw him from the height that will finally kill him. Kamsa sent the whirlwind demon Trinavarta to Krishna. At that time, another function was observed by Yachoda and Nanda, Krishna's first birthday. They were arranging for Krishna's birthday ceremony. Lord Krishna, who was carried by his mother Yashoda in her lap, had come to know of this through the divine powers about the new plan of Kamsa and made himself heavy on Yashoda's lap. He wanted to support the intent of Trinavarta just so that he could slay the wicked demon. Yashoda had to finally put baby Krishna down on the floor, finding him very heavy. She left him and went away to do some household work, taking both the opportunity and the form of a powerful tornado. Because of this, everyone's eyes became covered within a few moments, and the whole of Gokula became densely dark, so that no one could see himself or anyone else. During this great catastrophe, a mother, Yashoda, could not see her baby, who was taken away by the whirlwind, and she began to cry very piteously. She fell down on the ground exactly like a cow who has just lost a calf. When Mother Yashoda was so piteously crying, all the Gopikas immediately came and began to look for the baby, but they were disappointed and could not find the baby. Now, these slokas we will see now. त्वामेगदा गुरुमरुत्पुरनाथ वोढुं गाढाधिरूढगरिमाणमपारयन्ती माथा निधाय शयने किमिदं वदेति ध्यायन्त्यचेष्टद गृहेषु निविष्टशङ्गा. Once, O Guruvayurappa, though who had very much increased in weight, thy mother, not being able to carry thee, placed you on the bed. What indeed was the cause of this? Thus overcome with misgivings, she kept busy carrying out her duties in the house. As she did so, she was constantly thinking of thee and praying for the welfare. तावद्विदूरमुपकर्णित घोरघोष व्याजृम्भपां सुपटली परिपूरिता च पात्यावपुः सखिल दैत्यवरस्तृणावर्ताख्यो जहार जनमानसहारिणं त्वाम्. Then the well-known Asura Trinavarta came disguised as a whirlwind. All the quarters were filled with thick dust, and terrific sound arose and spread all around by the impact of his arrival. He, the demon, carried thee away. Hare, you who carries away the minds of people. उद्दामपांसुतिमिराहददृष्टिपादे द्रष्टुं किमप्यकुशले पशुपाललोके हा बालकस्य किमिति त्वदुपान्दमाप्ता मादा भवन्दमविलोक्य भृशं रुरोदा. The immense dust caused intense darkness, due to which the vision was obstructed. All the Gopas and everyone were unable to see anything. Your mother was full of worry as to what had happened to you. She ran in distress towards thee, and not finding you at the spot, she began to wail and cry loudly. तावत् स दानववरोऽपि च दीनमूर्तिः भावत्कभारपरिधारणलूनवेगः सङ्गोजमाप तदनुक्षदपां सुकोशे कोशे व्यदायदभवज्जननी निनादः. Then that great demon, weakened in power, shrank in size, and his speed was diminished because of carrying thy weight. So the dust storm and the fierce whirling sound had also subsided, and so in Gokula thy mother's cries were clearly heard everywhere. रोदोपकर्णनवशादुपगम्य क्रन्दल्सु नन्दमुखगोपकुलेषु दीन त्वां दानवस्थगिलमुक्तिकरं मुमुक्षुः त्वय्यप्रमुञ्जति पपादवियत्प्रदेशात्. On hearing the wailings of Yashoda, Nanda and the other Gopas rushed inside the house, crying. Meanwhile, Asura, who had become weak by carrying thy weight, wanted to release you. You who releases everyone's bondages, Hare. But when you did not let go of your hold of him, he fell down from the skies. This is the ending of 5 slokas of this Dasaka 43, and here we will have a Guruvayurappa Stotram by Sati.
ഗുരുവായൂരേകാദശി തൊഴുവാൻ പോകുമ്പോൾ വഴികാട്ടുക വഴികാട്ടുക നാരായണ രൂപം തളരുമ്പോൾ ആത്മാവാം പശുവേ നിന്നാവിൽ അമൃതം പോലൂറിയിടുക നാരായണ നാമം ഹരിനാരായണ നാമം നാരായണ 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 ഹരിനാരായണ നാരായണ.